What's up everyone and welcome! In this episode we're going to talk about a malvertising campaign called Magnat that is tricking people into installing a backdoor along with a keylogger and a credential info stealer. Let's see what else we can learn to protect ourselves and others from this story.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
A series of malicious campaigns have been leveraging fake installers of popular apps and games such as Viber, WeChat, Nox Player, and Battlefield as a lure to trick users into downloading a new backdoor and an undocumented malicious Google Chrome extension with the goal of stealing credentials and data stored in the compromised systems, as well as maintaining persistent remote access. Cisco Talos attributed the malware payloads to an unknown attacker or unknown actor that goes by the alias Magnat, noting that these two families have been subject to constant development and improvement by their authors. The attacks are believed to have commenced in late 2018, with intermittent activity observed towards the end of 2019 and through early 2020, followed by fresh spikes since April 2021, while mainly singling out users in Canada, followed by the US, Australia, Italy, Spain, and Norway. A noteworthy aspect of the intrusions is the use of malvertising as a means to strike individuals who are looking for popular software on search engines and presenting them links to download fake installers that drop a password stealer called Redline Stealer, a Chrome extension dubbed MagnatExtension that's actually programmed to record keystrokes and capture screenshots, as well as an auto IT based backdoor that establishes remote access to the machine. So let's say you did a search for WeChat, you might see an advertisement in some of the first results there on your search engine. It's possible that one of those links or one of those paid ads leads you to a malicious website where they give you a fake installer for WeChat, and when you install that, you're also installing the Redline Stealer, the Chrome extension dubbed MagnatExtension, as well as a backdoor. Say cheese! Now take a mental picture of yourself at this exact moment. Congratulations! You're doing a great job by wanting to learn about the Magnat malvertising campaign and by watching my episode about it. I appreciate your support. If you think I can improve, or if you just want to say hi or anything that's on your mind, feel free to leave me some comments in the section below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and smash the bell to be notified when I upload new episodes where I give you insights into the newest important cybersecurity stories like this one. With my insights, you can be better prepared to protect your company, your family, yourself against these and other cyber attacks. So hit the subscribe button and the like button and the comment and the share and all of that stuff. And let's continue learning about this story together. The MagnatExtension, which masquerades as Google's safe browsing, also packs other features that are of use to the attackers, including the ability to steal form data, harvest cookies, and execute arbitrary JavaScript code. Telemetry data analyzed by Talos has revealed that the first ever sample of the browser add-on was detected in August 2018. The extension's command and control communications stand out as well. While the command and control server address is hard-coded, it can also be updated by the current command and control server with a list of additional command and control domains, but in the event of failure, it falls back to an alternate method that involves obtaining a new command and control address from a Twitter search for hashtags like Aquamamba 2019 or Ololo 2019. The domain name is then constructed from the accompanying tweet text by concatenating the first letter of each word, meaning a tweet with the content, "Squishy turbulent areas terminate active round engines after dank years industrial creepy units," and containing the hashtag Aquamamba 2019 is translated to stataready.icu. Once an active command and control server becomes available, the vacuumed data, browser history, cookies, form data, keystrokes, and screenshots is exfiltrated in the form of an encrypted JSON string in the body of an HTTP post request. The encryption key, to which is hard-coded in the decryption function. The encryption key, in turn, is encrypted with the server's public key. Based on the use of password stealers and a Chrome extension that is similar to a banking Trojan, it appears as though the attacker's goals are to obtain user credentials, possibly for sale or for other for their own use in further exploitation. Cisco Talos researcher Tiago Pereira said, "The motive for the deployment of an RDP backdoor is unclear. The most likely are the use of RDP or the sale of RDP access, the use of RDP to work around online service security features based on IP address or other endpoint installed tools, or the use of RDP for further exploitation on systems that appear interesting to the attacker." So, what can we learn? If we think about how this is being spread, we can see that people are falling for advertisements for popular software products like WeChat and Viber. But this could go further in terms of phishing campaigns, which says, click here to update your WeChat app. These malicious installers are packed with backdoors, putting any device and network in danger. With the efforts by attackers to bypass security solutions with anti-malware through like registry edits or kill commands and the like, we have to focus more attention on education. People should have a clear process for getting software and updates. The process could be either something like an internal list of approved provider links for software at your company, or Google search and then only use official links and don't click on advertisements, or some other method. The bottom line is, if people don't have a clear process, they'll use any process that's easiest for them individually, which could include clicking on a link in a phishing email to install an update, or clicking the first result in Google, which could be a malicious advertisement, thereby most likely infecting their system and potentially the entire network with things like backdoors, Trojans, and crypto miners. With that, I say thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.